check out Trevor. So quiet.
Flint.
I talked like a minute ago.
Bro, can I ask? Like, are we your only friends?
Okay. What are you talking about?
Clint, don't.
No, I'm genuinely asking. I'm helping the guy. Do you have any other friends besides us?
Bunch. I've got a friend named Chad who goes to another school. You wouldn't know. He's funny as crap.
You should bring him up here next weekend.
I will. Yeah, if you want. If it... Grow a guy.
You might be a foot.
Oh, hello there. No. This should go right together. Ready? Wikipedia. These are tweets. This is all Guardians of the Galaxy. Popular movies. Oh, it's got a man. No.
Yes, that's it. Maybe stick it in there a little bit. Just stick it in there a little bit more.
It's like outdoors.
Okay, everybody shut up for a second. I've got a game. All right, just close your eyes. Okay, you're gonna thank me. Now, picture Mr. Dewey having sex.
What do you guys think, like, his dating situation is for real?
Genuinely, I'd rather picture him having sex than on a date.
You're so right, Trevor.
So, Chad, I see you can...
We interrupt our regularly scheduled programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WTVT 13. We will continue to serve the Tampa Bay area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Tampa Bay area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. This message is transmitted at the request of the Pentagon and the White House. At 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Turkish aircraft was detected to be entering American airspace by the North American Aerospace Defense Command. These unauthorized aircraft entered from South Florida up through Georgia, then reverting to the Atlantic Ocean. These aircraft are believed to be used for surveillance. As a result of ongoing tensions between Turkey and Syria, the United States Congress has declared war on Turkey. In response to this, Turkey has declared war on the U.S., and Turkish troops have landed in the Miami, Florida area. These troops are killing civilians upon sight. This is an attack warning. Repeat, this is an attack warning. An attack warning means an actual attack against this nation is occurring, and emergency action should be followed. Martial law has been declared in all of Florida, as well as Georgia, Alabama, North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia, West Virginia, Louisiana, Mississippi, Missouri, Tennessee, Puerto Rico, and Washington, D.C. A mandatory curfew has been issued across the United States as 10 p.m. If you are not in shelter by this time, you can be arrested by military police. A state of emergency has been declared by the President. Additionally, the United States Marine Corps, United States Navy, United States Air Force, and United States Army have all mobilized, and the Florida National Guard is currently combating Turkish forces in Miami. If you are in the Miami, Florida area, evacuate immediately.
Please stay tuned for a message from the President of the United States.
Hoşça kal Amerika. Türkiye'nin sen olduğun ve sen Türkiye'sinden Donald Trump'ın olduğu yeni dünyaya hoş geldin. Ekonomimiz şimdi parçalanmayacak, sizin olacak.